We're here in Florence, Italy. My name is Maria with my husband Don. We're exploring Florence, the beautiful city of Florence in Italy. What you see right now is the beautiful bridge Ponte Santa Trinita. Ponte means bridge in Italian.
Here, a lot of people here. Look, in the beautiful sky, it's so blue. This is the bridge, nice.
This is the best place where to take picture because you can get a good view of Ponte Vecchio, the bridge over there with the jewelry shops. If you're into shopping, there are lots of shops on the left side as you walk towards the Ponte Vecchio. Everything here is beautiful. The bridges, the buildings, the food, everything is amazing. Going to a famous attraction here that is not to be missed. We're heading to the bridge called Ponte Vecchio. It's a bridge with some shops, jewelry shops in particular. Many people will come here to buy some souvenirs. What the better way to remember Italy, Florence in Italy, than to buy a piece of gold, a piece of jewel from Florence, Firenze. Before you get to the bridge, it's your opportunity to take some photos that you can post on Instagram or Facebook. We have arrived. We are now here at the bridge Ponte Vecchio. It's not Ponte Vecchio, it's Ponte Vecchio. We're not here to shop or to buy any jewelry. We're just here to see what's going on here. It's a very interesting place, so we might as well check it out.
Here are the shops. All the gold. They can go. They can go. For sure, it's expensive. We saw you. What is here?
These are really very interesting pieces. If I have a lot of money, I would buy some gold here. I would like some earrings, some bracelets, necklace, you see. But they're very expensive, they're not cheap. Ponte Vecchio in Italian literally means old bridge. So here we are on the bridge, the old bridge. And this has existed since the 13th century. As they say, you can buy gold necklace anywhere. But here, it's not just the gold you're buying. Is the experience. I read a review about Ponte Vecchio that the price of jewelry here is 3 times more expensive compared to other jewelry shops in Florence. So it's up to you guys how you will spend your money, but I guess the price is negotiable. So enjoy shopping! There have been shops on Ponte Vecchio since the 13th century. Initially, there were all types of shops, including butchers and fishmongers, and later tanners, whose industrial waste caused a pretty rank stench in the area. In 1593, Ferdinand I decreed that only goldsmiths and jewelers be allowed to have their shops on the bridge in order to improve the well-being of all, including their own, as they walked over the bridge.
Oh, this is a lot. Oh, this is my style. I don't like that. I like this. Yeah, with bling, with diamond, and kind of like this is my style. This kind of a bit on the high. See, no prices. If there are no prices, we cannot afford it. Very nice. Very nice. This very elegant. Vittori. This is like for everyone. Look.
Oh, this is the prices, huh?
You know, it depends on them. They can price it how they like. You know, it depends on the store. I know because my brother, that one is cheap, but it's not diamond for sure. Just glass. But they're not like the kind of jewelry I have. I don't like jewelry actually. This 120. 200. These I like. 200 earrings, the stud. Like that one. 600, 900. So, I don't know. 3,000 euros.
The trains, that time I just sit.
So now we're going back.
And relax, rest.
Yeah, have something to drink.
You want some warm drinks?
Relax. No, I want to sit and drink.
That concludes our tour here on the Ponte Vecchio Bridge. I hope you enjoyed watching.